Programming a key fob for a 1998 to 2007 Ford Taurus involves syncing the remote's RF signal with your car. These models use a 314 MHz frequency. You'll need your key fob and car key. The process typically takes 5 to 15 minutes. Compatibility varies by year and trim. For 1998-2004 models, it's ignition-based. 2005 to 2007 often requires door lock cycling. Newer aftermarket tools connect via the OBD2 port for faster pairing. Universal remotes are a popular alternative to original Ford fobs due to their scarcity and cost, often mimicking the required Ford signals. First, ensure your car is unlocked and the doors are closed. For 1998-2004 models, insert the key into the ignition without starting the engine, then cycle the ignition to the on and off positions multiple times, usually 5 to 8 times. Consult your manual for exact count. The car should then enter programming mode, usually indicated by a chime or door lock cycling. Press the lock and unlock buttons on the fob. Test by locking and unlocking the car remotely. For 2005-2007 models, the process may involve cycling the door locks using the power lock switch. If it doesn't work, ensure your fob battery, a CR2032, is good. If problems persist, an OBD2 scanner can help diagnose issues. Repeated failed attempts can lock the module, so be cautious. If unsure, a professional mechanic is recommended, especially for PATS-equipped models.